What if I told you that everything you're seeing right now was created by artificial intelligence?
Wait, really?
Wait, really?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Not just the images, but the animation itself. What if I told you that you could do this too, right now, for free?
Are you for real? Are you for real?
Are you for real?
We're living in an age of miracles, an age where the line between imagination and reality is getting blurrier by the day. And at the forefront of this revolution is a new kind of tool, a tool that's putting the power of a Hollywood special effects studio into the hands of anyone with a creative idea.
What is that?
Okay, what is that?
That tool is DomoAI.
Welcome to DomoAI.
In this video, we're going to do a deep dive into DomoAI. We'll explore how it works, what it can do, and how it's poised to disrupt the entire content creation industry. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start creating your own mind-blowing AI-powered videos.
That sounds great.
But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to make sure you can follow along.
That's so thoughtful of you.
That's so thoughtful of you.
DomoAI has a free tier that lets you test out its core features without spending a dime.
For real?
For real?
I've dropped a link in the description below that will take you straight to their website. Go ahead, click that link and sign up for a free account. It only takes a minute, and that way you can experience the power of DomoAI for yourself as we go through this review. So, what exactly is DomoAI?
I have no freaking clue.
Put simply, it's a suite of AI-powered tools that let you create and manipulate visual content in ways that were previously unimaginable. It's an AI art generator, a video-to-animation converter, an image-to-video transformer, and so much more.
Oh, mind blown.
It's like having a team of artists, animators, and video editors at your beck and call, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. The problem that DomoAI solves is a big one. Creating high-quality visual content is hard. It takes time, skill, and a whole lot of resources. If you're a content creator, you know the struggle.
God, this is so annoying.
You've got a brilliant idea for a video, but you don't have the budget to hire a team of animators. Or maybe you're a digital marketer who needs to create eye-catching visuals for a campaign, but you don't have the design skills to make it happen.
This is pointless.
That's where DomoAI comes in. It levels the playing field, making it possible for anyone to create professional quality visual content, regardless of their skill level or budget.
That is awesome. That's awesome.
Now, let's talk about the features that make DomoAI so powerful. And trust me, there are a lot of them. AI Art Generator. This is where the magic begins. With DomoAI's AI Art Generator, you can turn simple text descriptions into stunning, high-resolution images. The possibilities are endless. You can create fantasy landscapes, futuristic cityscapes, photorealistic portraits, or anything else you can imagine.
Oh, this is amazing, man!
Wow. This is amazing.
The level of detail and realism is truly breathtaking. Video to animation converter. This is one of my favorite features. You can take any video, whether it's something you shot on your phone or a clip you found online, and transform it into a work of art. DomoAI offers over 30 different animation styles to choose from, so you can give your videos a unique and eye-catching look. Whether you want to turn your home movies into a Disney-style cartoon or give your vlogs a cool retro anime vibe, DomoAI has you covered. Image-to-video transformation. This feature is a game-changer for social media content creators. You can take a static image, like a photo or a piece of digital art, and bring it to life with subtle, eye-catching animations. Imagine creating cinemagraphs that loop seamlessly, or adding a touch of magic to your product photos. It's a great way to make your content stand out in a crowded feed. AI Video Lip Sync. This is where things get really interesting. With DomoAI's AI Video Lip Sync feature, you can synchronize the lip movements in a video to match any audio track. This is a huge deal for anyone who creates talking head videos, animated characters, or dubs foreign language content. The results are incredibly realistic and will save you hours of tedious manual animation. And so much more. I've only scratched the surface of what DomoAI can do. It also has tools for upscaling images and videos to studio quality, creating talking avatars, and even cloning your own voice. It's a complete creative suite that's constantly evolving and adding new features. So, what are the benefits of using DomoAI?
Let me guess. Let me guess.
Well, besides the fact that it's just plain fun to use, there are a number of practical advantages that make it an essential tool for any content creator. Time efficiency. This is a big one. DomoAI can help you create high-quality visual content in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. This means you can produce more content more consistently without sacrificing quality. Cost effectiveness. Let's be honest, hiring a team of artists and animators is expensive. DomoAI gives you access to the same level of creative power for a fraction of the cost. With its flexible subscription plans, it's an affordable solution for creators of all levels. Creative control. DomoAI isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It gives you a ton of creative control, allowing you to fine-tune your creations to match your unique vision. You can choose from a wide variety of styles, customize the settings to your liking, and even combine different features to create something truly original. But don't just take my word for it.
Why?
Why? Why?
Let's see what other people are saying about DomoAI.
I've been scouring the internet for reviews, and I found some really interesting feedback on futurepedia.io, a website that tracks the latest AI tools. DomoAI is an innovative AI tool designed to revolutionize the creation of visual content. It's specifically tailored for content creators who seek efficiency, creativity, and control in their visual projects. By leveraging advanced AI algorithms, DomoAI simplifies complex tasks, making it accessible for both professionals and hobbyists alike. AI Art Generator. Transform text descriptions into captivating images perfect for visual storytelling and creative projects. Video to animation converter. Effortlessly convert videos into animated masterpieces with just a click, offering over 30 different animation styles. Image to video transformation. Turn static images into dynamic videos, ideal for social media content and presentations. Time efficiency. Significantly reduces the time required to create high-quality visual content. User-friendly interface. Intuitive design ensures a seamless user experience, even for beginners. Cost-effective. Offers a range of subscription plans to suit different budgets, making advanced AI tools accessible.
So there you have it. DomoAI is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use tool that's changing the game for content creators. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, DomoAI has something to offer you. It's a tool that will unlock your creativity, save you time and money, and help you create visual content that will blow your audience away. So what are you waiting for? The future of content creation is here, and it's time for you to be a part of it. Click the link in the description below to sign up for your free DomoAI account today. And when you do, be sure to come back and let me know what you think in the comments section. I can't wait to see what you create.